So I was just kind of looking at what's what, and this light actually has mounting points at the bottom over here, and at the top is the same mounting point. So I figured I'm just going to move that bracket that's underneath here, place it on the top of the light, and use that to kind of mount it a bit higher, because I think that suits the bike better than really low. So a bit higher, and maybe that's going to give me some room down below where the screen is going to be, to kind of hide all the wires somehow. Maybe a small bucket thingy, whatever. So I'm going to switch this bracket over here to the top, and I think we're going to use these mount points down here to set the light a bit somehow, if it goes up or down a bit too much like this. But that's the plan, I think. So I'll just move this up. Maybe we should get some sort of base going and start from there. Okay, so I dismantled the IKEA stuff. Again, this was from a bed again, I think. Yeah, it's pretty good, really strong steel, this. And these parts are gonna work beautifully, I think, because the length is good. And I may even be able to do this in one piece. So if I bend this to the back, then I have to go up here, and it's going to be more or less in the same line as the shocks, and then bend this the other way. Then I can attach it to this with a screw or anything, or put this plate, which is actually perfect size, weld it onto this or over here and attach it here. I've got another one, and I can use that down here as well. I could go like that. That's gonna look weird, maybe. Yeah, I was gonna see that, really. This is gonna be nicer like that. So in line with the shock. Let's just try and bend this. See how well it bends. Okay, so let's have a look if this is gonna work like that. This might actually work. I think that's spot on, actually. So I need to bend it here, I think, downwards also. I just made a mark here. I'm just gonna nick that really just a little bit with the angle grinder, and kind of make sure it's gonna have enough room to go back, because it needs to go back quite a bit. So I'm just gonna make a bit more room so it can actually do that. I think that's already enough. It's just a few millimeters, but I think that's gonna work.
One eternity later.
Okay, I'm about to weld the frame for the headlight. This has been really touch and go, and I've tried all different setups. I'm now going to weld this to this plate, which is attached up here. This one's just going to sit in here. I'm going to use something else on the bolt. And that's going to be my mounting place for the headlight and whatever I need up here. So yeah, this is what I've come up with. I think it's the best option so far. So let's do this.
3 days later.
So I've been fiddling tonight with the front of the bike and the headlight, which is a bit of a struggle because everything has to be made. So I got the special light and I really wanted to fit this front end. Now this is from an Honda MT50, so a moped actually, but it really suits the bike, I think, the color, and the light fits in it, but the mounting of course is totally different. So what I ended up doing is taking the light apart, and I've taken the inside of the light, the frame. I've drilled some holes and tapped some wire in there, so I was able to actually mount the screen straight onto the headlight. So it's a single piece now. I was thinking making more brackets and stuff, but I really didn't like it. So the only thing I need to figure out is how to get there's a grid here as well, how to get that on the bike. But let's first see if this works. All right, so it has a face now, and I like it. So the only thing I need to figure out is this. I think I may just use those little things I've already got, or move it back a bit if I can on the original part, but then I may have to how do you say that? Reverse engineer it, so to speak, because I don't want to put all the weight on this point. So maybe let's put a screw like over there and the other way around. So instead of turning something in, I'm just gonna try and clamp it somehow, but there's no room there at all, as you can see.
The next day.
Anyway, as you can see, I'm working on the bracket still here, and today I really want to finish this, at least the fabrication. So the last thing I need to do is weld this in place, and that will help me put this blinker here. And I just want to let you kind of look at the bike. And with this here, actually an Africa Twin has its lights here, I saw. But when you look at it, I think the bike isn't a Silver Shadow. I think it's more like Chappie. Don't know if you know that movie, but it kind of looks like Chappie, doesn't it?
Hang on, I need a tripod. Let me just extend the old third leg. Ooh, yeah.
Let's continue working on it. I want to weld these tabs in and then make the mounting of this thing complete, weld it nice, strip it, paint it, you know it. All right, let's do that. Already drilled out the holes. Yeah, I think I like it. That's all the welding finally done. Let this cool down and then grind this off, make that nice and straight. Should have filled in these holes. Alright, I just finished up cleaning up this. Well, this is what my headlight is going to be mounted onto. This is for the blinkers, for the headlight itself. And there's another bar here as well. So I'm gonna prime this, clean it, prime it, paint it. That is the face of my bike. I like it, I love it, I think it's brilliant. It's cool. I love it. Really happy with it. It's a whole lot of work, but I'm getting close. All right, so I've cleaned this one up and there's a clear difference. But next up, I'm gonna give this a nice paint job. It's going to go matte in the end, so it's going to dry up. I'm going to do 3 layers, and then once the engine is on, it's going to cook this, but it's looking better already. Alright, so in all fairness, this is going too far. It's actually hitting the tank here and it's hitting the radiator, so I guess I need to make a stop here that's bigger than what's here right now. So I've made this little template and yeah, it should fit there. I can kind of grind it down a bit, but I think that if it stops there and it stops there, and that should be good. I'm gonna kind of cut this down a bit more. Yeah, a bit more. Remake this in metal, cut this off, put this on.